Hi guys, SuperSkyGuy here. Today, I'll be showing you the Intex Pool, Sunset Glow Pool. Perfect for 2+ years old. This is the size of the pool. This pool took close to 22 minutes to fill it up with air. Now let's put some water in the pool.
All right, thank you.
It even has a cushioned floor so you won't get hurt. I got this pool from Amazon. And click the link below to see how much it costs. Overall, this is a magnificent pool. Did you like this video? Remember to like and subscribe. If you want more fun and review videos, subscribe. Hope you had a great summer.